am on my way to a kids party. So we're gonna have some fun, get out the house. I'm running late. It's 5:42. It says it'll take 20 minutes to get there. Let me see. Okay, it says we'll get there at 6:02. It's 5:43 now. So I'm on my way. I'm running late, but better late than never, okay? So I had to stop to get gas and cupcakes, so that's why I'm running late. And then I lost track of time trying to kill a fly in the damn house. Anyways, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can know every time that I drop. So we are on our way there now. And then I am going to pick up the camera once we get there. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, okay, so we made it. I just parked, paid for parking. Y'all, I had to parallel park. I forgot where I'm at. Down here you got a parallel park. So let me get Malia out the car. You ready to have some fun? Yes? She's like, mommy, mommy. Okay, so I'll see y'all when we get inside. This is the only way up and the way back down. You went up this? Y'all, I am getting too old for this. Ow! I just hit my head. So, the slide is only halfway. It doesn't go all the way down. So, how we gonna make it back down? It's gonna be another workout. Oh, Lord. Malik. Yay. Whew, I'm tired already, y'all. Ball. Ready, set, go! Whee! Okay, y'all, we have left the place, Fun Dimension. It was fun. It was nice. It was fun. Malia only liked the playground part. She didn't care too much about the arcade. Okay, we're gonna get something to eat too, and then I need to go to Target because she needs some diapers. I'm taking a break from potty training. I'm sorry, y'all. It is so stressful. So I'm gonna go and get her some diapers real quick, and we're gonna get something to eat. I don't know what's over here. I wonder if they got Chick-fil-A over here. Probably not in this bougie area. But we're gonna see what we can get to eat. Come on. Okay, we made it to Target. This one has a fancy garage and whatnot, so this was a little different. Oh my god, did I bring the ticket? Hold on. Okay, y'all, I am in Target. This Target is so different and it's so big. What do I need out here? Oh, I need diapers. Diapers. Only diapers. Oh, this Target has an Ulta. Let's see. Okay, I see Cat and Jack, so should be close. Y'all, and I'm vlogging, which is perfect though. Oh, they have the kids shoes here. You do need like a, hold on, get some Dwayne Wade diapers. Okay, you need some cups. Camera died, but I remember I used to have to eat these, and I used to drink this too, but my baby is all grown up now, and these I had to buy those like all the time. But what is this one? Spill-proof sippy cups. I don't even know if she would drink out of this, and I don't want to buy it, and she won't. Oh yeah, and that Target, oh my god, it's a lot. Like, it's so confusing. The layout is so different, and then you gotta pay for parking. They don't validate your parking there. Like, it was, luckily I was only there for an hour because it would have been more, but dang, Malia loves singing. But yeah, that Target was overwhelming, and there was so much people in there. Like, I'm so used to going to Target early in the mornings anyway, but this is what I get for coming out late at night. But gotta do what you gotta do. Y'all, we are at McDonald's now. Malia she's hangry, but I just had to run in Target and get her some diapers because we had none, because I didn't feel like leaving the house the last 2 days. So, and I see why. I mean, I do like a break to be outside, have a little outing, but outside expensive, honey. Outside expensive. We've been outside for 3 hours and we spent 80. We spent $100 just for being out for 3 hours. It's time to go back in house. Outside expensive, like, honey. So we are at McDonald's, and then after this we're going to my mama's house. Let's go, hot. Run away to the run away to the run away. She don't want my love, I guess I
Please focus on our clients.
You changed the station too.
Cases and winning.
We have made it home. You see, I got my bonnet on, honey. About to take a shower. Oh, I need to comb my hair because I burnt my scalp so bad. But we had fun. Daddy-o made some wings. Hold on. Made some wings because I didn't eat. But I'm better tear these up because I'm hungry. Ask him if he missed us. Hold on. Let's see what he said. Baby shark. Come, let me take off your shoes.
Oh, I'm in the gas.
Why are you showing your toes? Go put this in your basket. Go put it in your laundry basket. Go. Did you miss us?
Someone.
What you mean someone? Is yes or no?
Malia more.
What about me?
I missed you too. Just not much as her.
If I give you some, then you'll...
I ain't got nothing to do with nothing.
Yeah, right. You supposed to miss both of us. We are girls.
I did. I did.
He's so focused in that game. He like, girl, get out my face. What's that? What's that?
Banana.
Banana. Banana? It tastes good. Num 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 num.
Yeah, he just.
Where the grapes at? Where your grapes? But I'm gonna close the video out here, guys. Probably was a very short vlog, but we had fun. I'm glad that we got out the house. And yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like that video and comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you again for watching. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.